Do you need a reliable manufacturing partner you can trust? Welcome to our rapid prototyping manufacturing factory located in Shenzhen. CNC Machining Center, Vacuum Casting Workshop, Reaction Injection Molding Workshop, Sheet Metal Fabrication, 3D Printing Workshop, Measurement Lab, Surface Treatment, and Assembly Workshop. With 30 years of rapid prototyping experience, we turn your designs into high-quality products fast, reliable, and made for you.